So students, let's study about the skeletal system. The skeletal system, it is otherwise known as osteology. The study of bone is called as osteology. Okay, it is mainly consist of the bones, joints and cartilage. So the skeletal system main component are the bones. The two bones are joined by the cartilage joints and also cartilages. Okay, in normal adult, the total number of bone is around 206. In newborn baby, the total number of bone is around 260 to 300 due to non-fusion of certain bones. In newborn babies, the bones are not fused. When their age get increased, the bone get fused and it endly comes to 206. Okay, the function of the bone, it provides shape and support to our body, it helps in movement, it protects the protection and blood cell formation. Our RBC, which is a blood cell, form in where the bone marrow. Okay, in this way it helps in blood cell formation, it helps in calcium and potassium storage, it helps in glucose metabolism. These are the functions of the skeletal system. What are the content of the bone? The bone is mainly consists of 45% of the bone is made up of water, 25% of the mineral salts and 20% of the proteins. Okay, 45% is water, 35% is salt and 20% of the collagen protein. What is bone cells? Now the bone cell formation is called as osteogenesis. There are mainly three type of bone cells are there. That is osteoblast, osteoclast and osteocytes. What is osteoblast? The osteoblast are the immature or newly forming cell. The newly formed cell is called as osteoblast. They are immature, and the osteoclast is the cell which are in destructive phase or old age cells. Okay, this the cells which are in destructive phase, we are going to be destroyed, that is called as osteoclast. Newly forming cell is called as osteoblast. Okay, and then the osteocyte, the final one, it is the mature, healthy living and energetic cells. Osteocytes are the mature cells. Okay, next, what is ossification? Ossification, it is a process of formation of the bone is called as ossification. Bone formed from the bony tissues, cartilages. Okay, from the cartilage and from the tissue the bone is formed, that is called as ossification. The ossification are mainly two types, that is the intramembranous and endochondrial. Remember the point. What are the different type of bone cells? What is ossification? What are the two type of formation of the bone? In intramembranous, the connective tissue change into the bones. In intermembranous, the connective tissue change into the bone, that is the flat bones. And in endochondrial, the cartilage is converted into the bone. Okay, these are the points of introduction of the skeletal system. The intramembranous, the connective tissue are of two types. It is the fluid connective and dense connective. Okay, these are the points. What is ossification? What is the bones? The type of bone cells? What are the contents? And what is the skeletal system? Okay, these are the introduction part of the skeletal system. In the next lecture, we are going to study about type of bone, location, about bone. Okay, these are the three things we are going to study about in the next lecture. Thank you.